Hi, everyone. Some of you have had some issues with being able to look at my comments. I think it was a problem that I had something that I didn't set correctly. So the instructions that I sent you should work now, but I just figured I'd record and upload this video quickly to make sure. If you upload, if you click on your document in the My Grades folder, it should come up. And those of you who emailed me, you were able to bring it up. You just didn't see any comments. Um, and again, I think that's because I had put a date in there wrong, and so those comments weren't available. But what you can do, if you over here to the right-hand side, you see this blue check mark over here. You just got a blue check mark and this blue um, I don't know what that means, kind of like a bunch of papers in there. But if you click on the papers up there, you can see that suddenly these things showed up, right? And this is show instructor feedback layer. And some of you might have already done that and it didn't show up. And I think it's again because I did a setting wrong. But once you do that, then you should see the comments and they'll say down there, very good or whatever. Click here to see my comments, and there should be a whole thing in there that you'll be able to read. And so that's how you just go ahead and look at the comments. Again, it should work now. If it's not working after this, let me know again, and I'll check again to see if there's anything else I did incorrectly. But that's how you should be able to access them.